Hello everyone. In this video, self-assessment term 1 model paper 2025-26 class ninth subject social question paper with key discuss. This key download to the telegram link on description. Follow the link, like and share and subscribe to channel. Let's start the paper with the solution. Option Section A, multiple choice question. Each question has four options, out of which only one option is correct. Question number 1. In ancient Greek, Kratia means. What is the answer? Rule, king, soldier, people. Answer is a rule. Correct answer option A is a right answer. Democracy is derived from demos means people and kratos means rule and power. Question number 2. HVY stand for high yield variety. Option B is the correct answer. High yielding variety is the right answer of the question number 2. Question number 3. If a ship is sailing between 8th degree 4 minute north latitude and 68 degrees 7th minute east longitude, in which country's terrestrial water is it most likely located? Sri Lanka, Maldives, India, Indonesia. Which one is the right answer? Right answer option C, India. Question number 4. Which idea lead to the Russian Revolution in the 20th century? Socialism, federalism, colonialism, imperialism. What is the answer? Socialism is the correct answer. Option A is the right answer. Question number 5. Where were land route considered older than maritime contact of India? Because of land route worship, because of ocean were easily accessible, because of mountain blocked land route, because of ocean restricted interaction for long time. What is the answer? Answer is the option D. Because of ocean restricted interaction for a long time, ancient mountains passes allowed travel long before open ocean navigation was safer or accessible is a right answer. Question number 6. Which of the following book was written by Montesquieu? Option is a The Wealth of Nation, The Spirit of the Law, The Social Contract, Two Treatises of the Government. Which one is the right answer? Right answer option B. The Spirit of the Law is the correct answer. Question number 7. Who played a decisive role in the integration of princely state in India? Jawaharlal Nehru, Rajendra Prasad, Subhash Chandra Bose, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. What is the answer? Answer is the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Now the next question. Question number 8. The Indian government want to improve the quality of population. Which of the following steps would be the most effective in achieving this goal? Option B is the right answer. Investing in health and education service is the right answer. Question number 9. Majuli, the largest river island in the world. It is located in which river? Ganga, Yamuna, Godavari, Brahmaputra. Answer become Brahmaputra. Option D is a right answer. Question number 10. What is the question number 10? Which of the following statement correctly reveals the importance of tertiary sector? Option A. Only one is correct. Only one is the correct answer. 11th question. Identify the correct statement Identify the correct statement in the following about the voting system before the French Revolution. Option C is the right answer. The third state demanded to each member of an state should one vote is the correct answer. Next question. Question number 12. What is the question number 12? Election offer a choice and fair opportunity to the people to change the current ruler in a democracy. Option A is a yes. This statement is a correct. Now the next question. Question number 13. This river is known Dakshin Ganga, Tapti, Narmada, Krishna, Godavari. Answer become option D, Godavari. Question number 14. This country is associated with the war song Marseillaise. What is the answer? Italy, Britain, France, Germany. What is the answer? Answer is as France. The Marseillaise is the national anthem of the France. Question number 15. What is the 15? Suppose India and the United States face disagreement over trade issue. How would India make decision by exercising its sovereignty? What is the answer? Answer is option B. India can make its own laws without outside interference. Question number 16. What is the question number 16? Ramlal decided to grow wheat. Grow Ramlal, a farmer in Punjab, decided to grow wheat during the winter. See later he planned to grow black gram in the same field during the monsoon. What method of agriculture is he using make better use of his land? Padu cultivation, Jayat cropping, mixed farming, multiple cropping. What is the answer? Answer is option D, multiple cropping. Question number Question number 17. When is National Voters Day celebrated in India? 25 January, 26 January, 15th August, 2 October. Answer is the 25th January is the right answer. Question number 18. What is the question number 18? Identify the correct structural feature of the Himalayas. The Himalayas run in the west-east direction, that extended from the Indus to the Brahmaputra. Only one is true, only two is true. Both 1 and 2 are true. Both 1 and 2 are false. What is the answer? Option C. Both 1 and 2 are true. Next question. Question number 29. Vular Lake in Jammu Kashmir was formed due to this activity. Answer is tectonic activity is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Next question. Question number 20. What is the question number 20? During election, why do government officers work under election commission instead of the government? Because to ensure election are free and fair is the correct answer. Option B is the right answer. Now to the next section. Question number 21. A villager farms hire 3 extra agriculture labor even through one agriculture labor is sufficient. Explain the concept, distinguish unemployment on this incident. And the next question, based on your understanding, draw a triangular structure of French Revolution before the French Revolution. This is the next question. Is the match the following. Answer the following in your answer booklet. Political symbol, this is a meaning. 4 cross 8 equal to 32 marks. Explain the constructing feature of the Himalayas and Peninsular Plateau in the region. Examine the table above the answer and following the question. And the last one of the question, locate the following given outline map of India: Kolkata, the desert, Narmada River, Bihar, Chennai, Deccan Plateau, Yamuna River, Haryana. And the B, locate the outline map of world: Italy, Atlantic Ocean, South Africa, Chile. And the internal of the question: United Kingdom, Black Sea, Canada, Sweden. Thanks to watch, like and share and subscribe to channel. Thank you so much.